Hi. Okay, now you want to play?
Go close to her mouth.
No, she'll bite me.
Watch if she sees who I am.
Danny.
Careful, she'll bite you guys. Get down.
Alright, come here, honey.
Joe, just drop the dog.
Drop the dog.
Go get her. Go get her.
Penelope, look.
Just turn her around.
Penelope.
What are you doing, Mike?
Hello?
Just let it ring for a little bit.
Hold the phone! Oh, shut up, Penelope! Where is the phone? Shut up, Penelope! Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hold on, Ma. I got the bird in my ear. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah. All right. Hold on. Yeah. See, she's not going to do nothing now. Now she's just there.
She knows she's on camera.
Hi, Penelope. Gonna be nice? Gonna let me pet you? Gonna be nice? Be nice. Nice. Ah, shit! Stop it! Don't scream at me. Shush.
You have to be nice to her.
Be nice. Let me pet. Ah!
No, no, no.
Bitch.
Look. Nice.
See?
Nice, right? Go for it. That's it. Go for it. Now you try.
Don't make fun of me. Oh. Don't make fun of me.
See, she's nice.
All right, let me try.
Oh.
Nice. Look, I'm gonna pet you nice. Nice. Come on.
Yes.
Be nice.
Look, don't touch her. Her feathers are all fluffed up now. See, now she's calm.
All right, so I can touch her now? Oh, she got itch.
Yeah.
Can I touch her now, Frankie? Honestly, all joking aside. Ow, bitch! See, I hate that
She
bird.
loves me. See? See, no power in you. Yeah.
All right, Mikey, did you pat her? Did you try and pat her?
No. Yeah, he did. I didn't.
You want to try, Joe?
Oh, God. Hi,
Frank,
Penelope.
see if she'll let Angelica pat her.
Yeah, let's see how this goes.
Don't go too close with your eyes, please.
Hi, Penelope. Ah! It's not funny,
It's
Dad.
not funny, Frank, at all.
She was
Oh,
doing
you
my
think it's so
skin.
funny, but look, Frank, we can't even go anywhere near
She
her.
was
we
took my
definitely know whose
skin
bird
off.
it is, right?
Whatever.
Hello.
So funny. Penelope, can you say it? You want to say it? Shh. Shut the fucking bird up. Go ahead,
Don't
say
say
it.
that to her.
Shut the fucking bird up.
Don't say that to her.
Go ahead, say it. Shut the fucking bird up. Go ahead, say it. She thinks it's funny. Shut my phone off.
Pretty bird.
Huh?